and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As we are going on with application to trigonometry questions, I hope you all are watching my previous questions and its videos as well. This is a question which we have taken from example 6 of NCERT textbook. Let us read the question and try to understand it. The angle of depression of top and bottom of an 8-meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building. Two things are there. One, there is a top and bottom of a tall 8-meter tall building from a multi-storied building. So I will consider this AB as the top and bottom building, which is 8-meter high, and PC is the multi-story building here. In this question, the depression angle is happening one to the top of this building and to the bottom of the building. To the top, the depression is 30 degree. To the bottom, it is 45 degree. So if this angle is 30, this will also be 30 degree. If this angle is 45 degree, this angle will also be 45 degree because of alternate interior angles are equal between the set of parallel lines. Find the height of multi-story building and the distance between the two buildings. This is one building AB. This is another building PC, multi-storied. You have to find the height of the multi-storied building as well as the distance between them, that is AC distance. So what I have to find out here? I have to find out PC height question mark and AC distance question mark. These two things I have to find out. So if AB is 8 meter, CD will also be 8 meter. This will also be 8 meter, obviously. This is 8 meter. I consider this as H. This distance as H, height. So first I am taking the lower triangle. In triangle ACP. For this triangle, see, ACP, opposite is given, adjacent is not given. AC also I have to find here. So what I will do, I will consider AC as X. So in triangle ACP, tan 45 degree is equal to PC by AC. So tan 45 is 1, PC is H plus 8 divided by X. I'll flip this up, X is H plus 8. This is my first block. If X is H plus 8, BD will also be X plus 8. So now if I am considering in triangle PDB, the upper triangle, tan 30 degree is equal to H by X again. If this is X, this will also be XC. This is also X. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is equal to H by X is nothing but H plus 8. So I am just cross multiplying. H plus 8 is equal to H root 3. Shift this here. 8 is equal to H root 3 minus H. So 8 is equal to H common root 3 minus 1, and hence H is equal to 8 by root 3 minus 1. I have to rationalize this. We also have to find the height AC here. AC is nothing but H plus 8. So the complete height as well as the distance between the building here are absolutely the same because PC is also H plus 8 and AC is also H plus 8. So this is a question in which two components was there and two depressed angles, and this is the way to solve this. I hope you have understood this, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.